Cooking for beginners. We all have to start somewhere. Whether you are a young person at home with your parents who can teach you, or are a bachelor or bachelorette out on their own for the first time, the art of cooking is more than microwave dinners. The first thing to know is you're not going to need to start with a full-course turkey dinner with all the trimmings. You can start with simple step-by-step recipes of the easier variety. For beginners, working with a recipe that's simple is a good start, and as a beginner, you will want to make sure you are following the directions precisely. This isn't the time to experiment or improvise. You will have plenty of chances to be creative as you become more familiar with cooking. Two of the easiest recipes are boxed macaroni and cheese, a simple measuring and boiling process for starters. Making Rice Krispies squares is also an easy 5-step process. Keeping to a few simple recipes like these is a good start. As you become more comfortable with these simple cooking methods, you will be able to branch out from there and eventually discover the cook within. Cooking isn't for everyone, but knowing the basics is. For some, cooking to be a fun and relaxing time. It may just take a little time and a few burnt dinners until you find their groove, but with persistence and patience, you too can learn to cook. Thank you for watching another Unstoppable Intellect video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help keep the channel growing. Knowledge is power. Together, we'll make you truly unstoppable.